Hey YouTubers, and welcome back to Tony the Technician channel, and today we're going to go into a topic that has been brought up to me in a couple of my older videos anytime I mention a flex head ratcheting wrench or flex head ratchet or anything like that. And that is, I'll get a comment every now and again that, oh, you know, I've been doing this professionally for 20 plus years and I've always done every job with my standard tools and stuff like that, which more power to you. If you do all your jobs with your standard tools, good to you. But this is I'm gonna be making some points as to why I think flex heads and some specialty tools out there are needed. And that is especially if you're a professional. If you're working flat rate and you have to get a job done in a certain time frame to actually, you know, earn the money that you want, that's where you're gonna want to purchase these. To me, if you're a professional and you refuse to get the tools that you need to get the job done even faster and still professionally, that's like refusing to work on anything that's not carbureted. Now, there's nothing wrong with that, but I'm just saying, if you're a professional, you really need to get out of that mindset of thinking that you can get every job done as fast as somebody that has the specialty tools or flex heads and stuff like that. Now, some people out there probably can. Some people are just wizards when they come to working on cars. But to me, my personal opinion is these specialty tools or flex heads were brought about to make a job easier and less of a headache on the mechanic or DIYer. Not as big of a situation if you're a DIYer doing it from home, because most of the time you're not on a time crunch, but it still makes the job easier and less of a headache, even if you're a DIYer. So I have a couple different designs here just to show you the free floating flex head. Then you got the semi-locking flex head that just has a detamp position where you can set it, and then the full-on locking flex heads where you can set it to the location you want and lock it in place. To me, I really like these designs. I like these features, and they really help you get the job done. Like I said, you don't have 2 feet around the engine bay anymore. You're working in much tighter spaces. Things aren't as easy to get to anymore. These newer cars have a lot of stuff going on that makes jobs a lot harder. Even simple jobs can be difficult just because of the space that you're given to do the job. So I believe anything or any tool that I can use to make the job easier and faster, I believe that's a big pro. Now, that also depends on who you get the tool from, what you're paying for it, is it worth it? But I believe with all the tool companies out there today, you can get that specialty tool within your price range for a majority of things, within your price range at a decent quality to get those jobs done easier and with less of a headache. So that's really my thoughts on it. I think that if you're a professional, you definitely need to adapt to the new and changing vehicles out there to get those jobs done fast and easier. Not that it's going to be easy, but a little bit easier. And if you're a DIYer and you do a lot of work, these can still make a job a whole lot easier and less of a headache. So please let me know your guys' thoughts down in the description. Do you guys enjoy not just flex head ratcheting wrenches or ratchets, but those tools like this that allow you to do jobs a little bit easier? Or are you know, just strictly your standard ratchet and wrench and, you know, just your basic tools? Do you do a majority of your jobs with those basic tools, or do you prefer getting those a little bit better features in order to get those jobs done? Let me know what you guys think, and if you haven't, check out the description below. I have a lot of tools that I recommend and car parts if you guys follow my Camaro build. It's all linked down in the description for you guys, and I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please make sure to hit that thumbs up. Like I said, leave a comment down below of your guys' thoughts on this topic, and if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.